India today crossed the 17,000 mark for COVID-19 cases, while the death toll rose to 543. Of the total 17,265 cases, 14,175 are active, while 2,546 are cured. The numbers come on a day when the country takes the first step towards relaxing restrictions imposed during the lockdown announced by the centre on March 24 to arrest the spread of the deadly coronavirus. More than 2.33 million people have been reported to be infected by the novel coronavirus globally, and 1,59,818 people have died so far. Infections have been reported in more than 210 countries and territories since the first case was identified in China in December 2019. Let's move on to next news. Three states, Telangana, Punjab and Delhi, decided on Sunday not to ease the lockdown restrictions in line with the centre's guidelines to gradually reopen the country and reboot the economy starting Monday. While Delhi and Punjab governments said that there will be no relaxation till the lockdown ends on May 3rd, the K. Chandrasekhar Rao government in Telangana decided to extend the complete lockdown in the state till May 7. The Chief Minister said that after reviewing the ground situations, they have decided not to grant relaxation as the coronavirus cases across the country crossed 17,000 mark. Karnataka, on the other hand, has decided to take the wait-and-watch approach. Let's move on to next news. The decisions of the Kerala government to open restaurants as part of relaxations in the lockdown due to coronavirus has not gone down well with the centre, which has accused the Pinarayi Vijayan government of diluting guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs. The Union Ministry has taken strong objection to the Kerala government's decision to allow opening of restaurants, bus travel in cities and opening of MSMEs industries in municipal areas, saying it amounts to dilution of its lockdown guidelines. The Kerala government has announced a relaxation of COVID-19 lockdown restrictions in two zones, allowing among others private vehicles movement in an odd-even basis and dine-in services at hotels from Monday. Let's move on to next news. No decision has been taken to restart the domestic and international flight operations after the second phase of lockdown ends on May 3rd. That is what the Aviation Regulator Directorate General of Civil Aviation said on Sunday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had last week extended the lockdown till May 3rd to arrest the growth of COVID-19 cases, and in light of that, the travel had been banned till May 3rd. Now, DGCA in its statement said that in this circular there was no direction or clearance which allows the airlines to start ticket bookings for the journeys to be undertaken with effect from the 4th of May 2020. In this respect, it is brought to the notice of all concerned that no decision to commence the operations of domestic or international flights with effect from the 4th of May 2020 has been taken yet. Let's move on to next news. A gunman disguised as a police officer went on a rampage across the Canadian province of Nova Scotia, shooting people in their homes and setting fires, leaving 16 people dead on Sunday in the deadliest such attack in the country's history. Officials said the suspected shooter was also dead. A police officer was among those killed. Several bodies were found inside and outside one home in the small rural town of Portapic, about 60 miles north of Halifax, what police called the first scene. Bodies were also found at other locations. Authorities believe the shooter may have targeted his first victims but then began attacking randomly.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.